got a very different trip planned this time. I'm off to Mexico, I'm bringing my film camera, and there's a few surprises when we get there.
The next station is Hathaway. Between train and a platform.
Just landed in Mexico, it's 3 a.m. Never seen so many security people. People taking my temperature and asking me questions in Spanish that I've no idea. I guess I'm not at my sharpest right now. Ended up paying tax for something, no idea what. So it's morning. Yesterday was a 40-hour travel day, which was pretty long, but it wasn't too bad, to be honest, so it's just good to be here.
This is what we train for! This is what we do!
So after the pep talk, a thorough briefing including what to do if bitten by a crocodile. I was really hoping to not have to use my newfound knowledge.
It's been amazing, absolutely awesome, love it.
It was time to dry off and settle in. We were fortunate that we had the best accommodation in the area. With the omission of any doors, it meant we could really enjoy the sunshine and gentle breeze. The accommodation had a rustic charm that added to the whole experience. It's off the island now. Time to go home.